It's always you.
Oh, we're back?
We're back. Lights on.
Lights on.
Lights screwing us outside.
Here. Better?
Too much ventilation. That's fine. What's your question about that thing?
Well, if you look at this placement of this guy, I don't know how much further up it can go.
That's where it's supposed to be, is there.
So that needs to get broken off.
You can do it. You can put up 180 in there if you want, if it clears, which is probably what you did before. But you're gonna have that ugly ass cover across the top at that point, because.
And it's really close to that case back there.
Yep, that's why they don't go that way.
So let's just do this.
Nope. About there. That's why they go that way.
And we'll chop that thing.
Make it work. Where's your bolts?
I think these are a little short. They were over here. Those are a little short, don't you think?
No.
No? Alright.
There's washers in here, but you didn't have any.
I can go find some.
Then they become too short.
Alright, so
Let's just choose up your bike, so you're okay with that.
alright.
They stole my tools already. Who stole my tools?
9/16, which is right here. No, I don't. Yeah, I do.
That ain't gonna work. Where's my tools?
They're over there.
No, they're not.
Which tools?
Right over there.
These guys?
So they stole them.
This dude.
Give me my whole tray.
What?
Give me my tray.
There you go.
Dumbass stole my shit.
Always.
So we have that much thread hanging out. Rotate. Rotate some more.
Got it?
I think it's started to hold it up. Sounds like your dog wants you.
Yeah, I miss him.
What part of holding up did you not hear?
Oh, you wanted me to hold it up? I thought you had it.
So easier it goes on when it's not binding the bolts up.
Oh, yeah, makes sense.
Okay, now you can let go. I got one in.
Alright.
You're threading into aluminum, it tears the threads up.
Ah, okay.
You need a 1/2 inch now.
What?
You need a 1/2 inch socket.
1/2 inch?
Yep, or a wrench. Tighten it down. That's why I know he stole my tools, so they're going over here where they belong.
1/2 inch.
Good. Strip it.
What?
Strip it. Careful. It's aluminum. Alright.
Where those dikes go?
They can make the wire work.
Where's the dikes?
Well, there used to be a set laying over here, but they somebody took them.
Probably got moved up far.
No, those would be my dikes. There's a set back here. Did you look in the dike drawer?
That's not the dike drawer.
That's not the dike drawer. There's a
That's
dike
a
drawer.
dike drawer.
Yeah, see, somebody hid them from you.
Yeah. Dude. Trying to get work done.
Somebody didn't put this in here correctly.
Didn't put one in where correctly?
On this.
The what?
Where's the rest of the wiring harness?
What do you mean?
This one goes underneath.
That goes underneath. It's under here.
Okay, we gotta fish this all up under there and hook it up. It should go under there somehow. Gotta be above the frame so it'll get cut off. Tuck it behind the oil line, keeps it off the sprocket. Alright, you gotta hook that thing up under there. I got dirty. You didn't bring a rag back with you.
I did not. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna have to steal this clean one over here.
The ultimate clean one, right?
Oh, this is nice. I'll use this one. Cleaner my fingers. Well, kind of. They're getting dirty. Yeah, close enough. Alright, this here is a custom here. What happened to my custom switch thing you had?
What?
Where's my cigarette lighter?
It's over here. I'm not gonna use it now. I'm gonna do all that electrical stuff later.
Where's it at?
It's over here.
I want to see it. Hiding from me.
Yeah. Eventually, we're not going to do that until I get the new hardtail.
Good. I'm looking at other stuff. I have to figure out oil line reading. Yeah, what you're going to have up here later.
We'll figure that out when that comes. Let's just run the oils.
Lines. Figure out my oil line reading right now. That way I know.
Fair enough.
What's that down there? Looks like a washer.
Ground.
Alright, you gotta hook up the ignition under there.
Yep.
Gotta get a battery in this thing.
Yep.
Gotta test out the timing.
Where is it? I can't really see. Can you?
You're close. Turn 180.
180?
Mm-hmm.
That?
Not yet.
There we go.
You sure?
I felt it click.
Oh, okay. Must be the spot.
Cool.
Just need a battery.
All right. Where is it at?
I don't know.
Up front, right?
You had one in your box, didn't you?
Yeah, there's one in here still.
What's in there?
What?
Pull it up.
I need a Phillips and a flashlight so I can see.
They're over there. Looks like a winner.
What?
Looks like a winner.
This battery?
Yeah.
What's the difference?
CTZ7 needs the same size battery.
What's the difference between BS and FA?
I don't know.
Fucking awesome and bullshit.
That's right. That's why I came out of the
All
bike.
right. What is it? I think it's. I saw someone wrote 5 cents. 5 cents, I swear.
Yeah, you're broke
So
already.
I'm up to 10 cents.
You already broke. This one comes out of my race bike. That's where that came from.
Oh yeah. So you know it's good.
Came out of that bike right there. And I charged it up a month or two back, so it should still have something in it.
I need to put this one. I need to put this one on that side.
Too bad. Mine's been modified for my bike.
All right.
You have to unmodify it.
Well, we might be able to work with it. It's just these two. I hope. That's nasty up there.
Hey, you're blocking the view.
Oh, sorry. My bad.
There was complaints about that already, about your hands blocking the view.
Oh, yeah. No, sorry about that. I'm not a cameraman.
Yeah, we already knew that.
Yeah, there's no way that'll ever truly be fixed.
Nothing smoking yet, so that's a plus.
Yeah. It's a very good plus.
Your tag's expired.
You think?
It's a year out.
I know they're trying to get me to pay for stuff.
Year and a half out
It's
almost.
rude.
Alright, where's your sparking plugs at? You didn't tighten them up.
Ooh. Something flashed.
There must be some juice in that battery.
That's good.
Turn the ignition switch off.
It is off. Poor puppies.
Here's the pistons not near top dead center. Looks like they're near bottom dead center. You can't even see them. Headlight doesn't work.
Yeah, 'cause it's not connected.
Ah, that's probably too big. And all my screwdrivers. Stole my Phillips.
Yeah, it's over here. You saw me using it. Alright, that's good for now.
It's in there?
Yeah,
Sure.
yeah.
Turn the ignition on. Headlight don't work. Sure you got power?
What? Ooh.
Nope.
I heard something flickering on in there.
You mean it has the same problem you had before? Short city.
Yeah, probably.
Killing my battery.
Oh, the ground is off, man. It's not grounded. That might be an issue, don't you think?
I don't know. Is it a dead short?
I don't. It's sparking right there, man.
Well, why don't you
That's
hook it
not
up?
good.
Well, why don't you hook it up and see what happens?
We put it to this one right here, right?
Is ignition off? No.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
That's why it stopped sparking.
There's the wire at.
It's right here.
Grab it.
So right on this guy?
No, you don't.
Oh, it's up here.
You don't put it to a motor mount, dumbass. You want the motor mount to be loose?
No.
When you put a piece of copper underneath a damn tight bolt, what happens?
It fucking...
Copper mushes out and it gets loose. And the motor's loose.
We don't want to do that.
Same thing happens when dumbass told me to put rubber underneath the gas tank here.
Is that thing?
You put
half
rubber
inch
under
or
here,
9/16?
that means the bolt's loose, and you can't tighten up against rubber. It'll fall off. What?
Is it 9/16 or half inch?
Yes. What?
Is it 9/16 or half inch?
It's a 5/16 bolt.
9?
It's a 5/16 bolt. That should tell you right there.
No, it doesn't, man. I'm not a mechanic.
It's not a 3/8 bolt, it's 5/16.
Nope. So it's half inch.
Yeah, it's 5/16 bolt.
I don't know these things, man, because you've never taught me this shit.
I'm not teaching you shit. You're supposed to figure it out yourself.
Sorry, buddy.
What's a 7/16 bolt? What size nut goes on a 7/16 bolt? So before you hooked it up, why don't you find out if things arcing? Now, is there any arcing going on?
Not right now.
Pull it back off. Okay, no sparky?
Yeah, because the ignition isn't on.
Hold the wire. Turn ignition on.
No. Get out of here.
What?
I don't want to do that.
Turn ignition on.
I'll turn the ignition on.
Touch against the case.
There.
Is it a dead short?
How am I supposed to know, dude? I don't know these things.
Well, how much arcing were you getting?
A lot.
It sounds like it's a dead short to me.
What does that mean?
That means you got a dead short in the system.
What does that mean?
It means you got a short in the system, dumbass.
What's the difference between a short and a dead short?
That means the hot wire is connected right to ground. Now, how much arc can you get in? You get a little arc, then that's just ignition coming on. You got a big ass arc, you got a problem. So you arc welding over there, or you just sparking a little bit.
I'm arcing.
Then you got a short someplace.
Okay.
So where's the short nut?
Probably in here.
That's probably a good guess. So you need to go find out where the short's at.
So how do we do that?
Disconnect some stuff until it quits doing it.
All right.
That wasn't a joke. That's how you do it.
I know you're not joking. It's very simple.
Yes, it is. When it quits shorting, you found the problem. I'm going to guess it probably starts with a battery box and works its way out. So why don't you look at your hot wires and see what's sticking where it doesn't belong. You probably hooked the ground to your damn hot wires, which you probably did.
What? Negative. Negative. So I'm positive. I can't really see in here.
Well, why not? You got a light. You got a custom wiring job in there.
Yeah, it's pretty good, huh?
Get right in there and see. Look at that. Not everybody could do such a nice job. Look at that. Yeah, there's your problem right there.
Alright.
It's a rat nest.
Well, there's only two wires. One of them's looking not too good.
Well, your first problem is your brake switch is not in the right spot.
You're the one that put it there.
So I'd say you need to work on that a little bit.
You're the one that put it there.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
See how it's not underneath the brake pedal where it belongs? So my guess is that thing is probably hitting against some kind of a positive location where it ain't supposed to be. So you need to make that thing work correctly. So where's your brake pedal?
Oh yeah, no, that's definitely out of whack. The top bolt is missing. Nut is missing. That's why.
See that bracket right there, which is right up against the post right there? See that spot right there?
I can't see it.
I bet you that's probably the problem right there.
Well, where's my brake pedal? Man? All my stuff is over here.
That's probably the short. Right there. What are you doing over there? Did you lose something?
Yeah, the brake pedal.
You don't need no stinking brakes, do you?
You said you wanted the brake pedal.
Do you have one?
I'm trying to find it. Not finding too much. Everything's scattered.
The brake lever right there. There's nothing to connect to up there. That's probably a clutch lever anyway, it goes to the clutch.
Not a foot peg.
There you go. Yeah, we have no foot peg over here either.
What?
We have no foot peg or shifter.
Bring these over.
Is that more stuff you need?
What?
Is that more stuff you need?
Yes.
Oh, jeez, imagine that.
Oh, there's the other. The brake pedal's on there.
On where? I know I'm not on that side. There's a foot peg over here too.
So what do you need?
No wonder you can't find it.
Yeah. You're telling me to find stuff that's already here.
I'm not on that side of the bike.
Was it like seriously? I was not even looking at all. I was just like, fuck. There you go.
Good, now I gotta move that switch over so it's in the correct spot.
Or you can maneuver the bracket.
Well, the bracket's not in the right spot either right now. It's not even moving up right now. So it looks like you got your brake light switches in the wrong position. So who was under there doing that? Or bent it or something.
I can't remember.
This finger here is supposed to be on top of that button.
Yeah, it is.
So everything is out of whack. So what has got it out of whack? Is it bent up, out of position, misadjusted? Bad design.
This is bent down.
Bad design.
Well, you did it.
There you go. So I know that. It tells you right there. So you gotta make it work.
Easy.
We got a bracket right here we can use with a bolt.
What?
We got a bracket and a bolt right here we can use.
Yeah.
That'll support it.
Alright. We can just bend it up using this.
I don't know. We gotta figure out what the problem is first.
What's this?
Well, then take it off and move it. Why is it different from before?
I don't know.
What's
Dude,
different?
I don't know. I'm not the mechanic here, dude.
Well, somebody
You are.
moved it. Somebody fixed it. So what's it mounted to? Looks like there's a hole under there. Nut right there. It's hanging low, so you might have drug it on the frame already. I don't know.
Probably when we spun it around.
Bad design.
Alright, what do you want? How should we fix it then?
Well, I think initially, if you take this and flip it upside down, it might put it in a better position. But
Alright, so how do we...
no, that's going to make it too high. It won't work either.
Well, we can make it high and push it down. And that'll be easier than
Right
where
now,
it
the
is.
switch is in the wrong spot.
Where do you want... Okay.
So is it not underneath this bolt here? See, somebody had all this shit apart. I don't know who it was.
I have an idea. Why don't we jack this thing up so we can see underneath it?
Oh, that'd be too easy. What would you want to do that for?
Don't waste any time.